Today we're going to solve by using the quadratic formula. Our example for today is x squared equals x minus 1. First thing we have to do is put it into standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. I'm going to keep the x squared positive, so I'm going to bring over the x and the 1. So we're going to have x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. Just as a reminder, we're going to do the quadratic formula now, and the formula is opposite of b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a. So now we're going to plug in a, b, and c. In this formula, a equals 1 because 1 is in front of the x squared. B equals negative 1, that's what's in front of the x, and c equals 1. So now we're going to plug it in. We're going to have opposite of b. B is negative 1, so we're going to have 1 plus or minus the square root. We're going to have negative 1 squared minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 1, all over 2 times a, which is 1. Now we're going to simplify what we have under the radical, so we're going to have 1 plus or minus the square root. Negative 1 squared is 1, minus negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, times 1 is negative 4, all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now we're going to simplify again what's under the radical, so we have 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 divided by 2. Now the square root of negative 3 is a complex number, so the negative is going to come out and become an I. So we're going to have 1 plus or minus I square root of 3 all divided by 2. Now, to the standard form of an equation with imaginary numbers is a plus bi. So we're going to rewrite this in the standard form. So we're going to have 1/2 plus or minus square root of 3 over 2i. We can break that down into 1/2 plus square root of 3 over 2i and 1/2 minus square root of 3 over 2i, and that's what x equals.